Well, I've got 7 incredible strategies that are guaranteed to leave a lasting impression and make a woman miss you. To truly stand out, you need to offer her something extraordinary, something she won't find anywhere else. These tips work wonders, whether you're in a committed relationship or just having a casual conversation. So, let's dive right into these game-changing ideas. 1. Give her space. When you're constantly chasing or reaching out, she won't have the opportunity to miss you. But if you create some distance and limit your communication, you'll stay on her mind. She'll start wondering what you're up to, and her imagination will run wild. The fact that she hasn't heard from you might even spark a little jealousy. By not contacting her, you show her that you're independent and don't rely on her to live your life. This no-contact approach works because it triggers a subtle feeling of rejection. When a man demonstrates that he can thrive without her, she realizes she's an option, not a necessity. Ironically, this kind of rejection makes her desire you even more. Romantic rejection stimulates parts of the brain linked to motivation, reward, and cravings. So, by giving her space, you'll make her crave your presence even more. 2. Showcase your vibrant life. When a woman misses you, one of the first places she'll check is your social media. If she sees little to no updates, she might assume you're not doing much. Remember, people often think, if it's not on social media, it didn't happen. So, share your achievements and fun experiences online. You don't need to brag. Even a simple, well-taken photo of yourself can catch her attention. By subtly hinting at your accomplishments and happy moments, you let her know she's missing out on your life. Women love feeling involved in a man's life. It makes them feel deeply connected to you. 3. Spark her curiosity. Resist the urge to give in when she tries to grab your attention indirectly. She might post a stunning picture or share a status that seems related to you. These are subtle attempts to get you to notice her. But here's the trick. Don't fall for it. If she posts pictures, don't like them. Ignore them completely. By doing this, you leave her eagerly waiting and wondering if you'll ever acknowledge her. The moment you like her posts, you're giving her the validation she's seeking. When she notices your absence, it'll drive her crazy with curiosity. 4. Be mysterious. When she finally reaches out, and she will, don't show excessive excitement. Being overly eager is a major turnoff because it signals dependence. If you appear too enthusiastic, she'll think you've been waiting by the phone for her message. Instead, play it cool. Keep your responses short, friendly, and slightly vague. A simple, "Hey, how are you?" is enough to acknowledge her while still piquing her interest. 5. Evoke a little jealousy. You don't need to go on a full-blown date or start talking to someone else to make her jealous. Something as simple as posting a picture with friends, where a woman happens to be in the frame, can do the trick. You could even tag a female friend, knowing she'll notice and possibly stalk her profile to figure out who she is. The goal is to show her that you have other options and a life full of possibilities. Even posting a picture of your celebrity crush can stir up a little jealousy. It's about reminding her that she's not the only person in your world. 6. Create emotional connections. Give her a unique nickname that's meaningful to her. Every time she hears it, it'll bring you to mind. Make sure the nickname is something she's likely to encounter again, like based on her favorite food, show, or color. This builds associative memories, a psychological trick that links her thoughts and emotions to you. It's a powerful way to stay on her mind. 7. Be a leader. Women are naturally drawn to men who can teach and guide them. If you can introduce her to something new or share your knowledge, she'll be grateful and see you as confident, competent, and caring. This trait is incredibly attractive and will make her miss you. 8. Encourage her independence. Finally, give her the space to pursue her own interests. Supporting her personal growth shows that you respect her individuality and value her independence. This balance strengthens your bond and allows her to miss you when you're apart. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.